guys, John with the Average Jeepers here. Today we are going to show you how to put that rim in this tire and how to set it with ether. Just picked these up. Three of them are mounted, one of them wasn't. We're going to mount this one for the Dana 60s that are going underneath old shoestring. Y'all seen that truck before. It is that one right over there. But just a quick little tour. Here's the rest of the tires right here. We're going to be putting those on. They're on bullet hole 8 lugs for when we do the 1-tons. And there's going to be a video coming up with how to put this Chevy 14 bolt underneath there and how to put this Ford F-250 Super Duty Dana 60 under there. As you can see, some parts over there under the cart. Got to finish putting it together. We're going to show you how to grind all this stuff off, everything, make it down bare, cut it, put a truss on it, all that good stuff. So first, we're going to start over here by getting the rim in the tire, and I'm going to use some soapy water to do that. Okay, so now that we have some soapy water and everything, we want this one to be a passenger side tire, so you got to make sure you pay attention to that. So, lay this bad boy on the side. Just some soap and water. Lather it up. We have some tire bars over here. Pick these up really cheap at Harbor Freight. What we'll do, I'll set it on this rim. So we can finish getting it on there. I probably should turn this around towards y'all, but it's not a difference.
What you doing?
try to get underneath the seat of the rim. At least on one side, the opposite side of where you're trying to set it. Alright, here comes the fun part. So, now that we have that done, we're going to take some starter fluid. Oh, tell you the truth, this tire will probably just set without the starter fluid. So another thing you can do if you don't really have a huge air gap, you can use a ratchet strap. And since we don't have an air gap on either side because this is such a wide tire, this is just going to work out easier. So, sorry to disappoint everybody. It's always fun making shit explode. This ratchet strap has seen better days. I put this in the middle of the tire. Push the sidewalls out. Just like that. It's filling up with air, and in case you can hear the leaking, it's just this crappy nozzle I have. Fill it up, check our tire pressure. You can see the noise stop. Fill it up, check our tire pressure. Good to go. Stay tuned for 1 tons of frame sliders coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What goes